Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Uba rin nekton lang do tongkar ubalang Menteri Badekmi ikatanat PHE kajalla haka jug play ikatanat rekam ka Swachh Bharat ulapan pau baka Swachh Bharat kadai kawai kalat ka ba aiman siem yang iban lekhuan kajingwan ka Swachh Bharat kalong kumshibenta ban pensa nam ya ka kuit ka subaha kajalla uda thrangru baka jalla Meghalaya kanlong ka baningkong haka lekhut le subaha pokari Syu ula ongru bakalong ka pop ban penjakle ya kamariang bat ya ka saudong saukun ni ban bret jabo pathar ula ongru bangi day bantem kumnu ban bu ikinyut ki bala ban pot pat ki bampot hala ki jong ki jaka ki bakarpang uba renekton ula kenturu ya ki pat ba ka jella ban chim khian ndu na yeng ban le khuj bat ban bret bai ki jabo jaban ha ka jaka ka badai kumju ru uong badai ban don ya ka pan khana ka bakhuj ban penne pensa ya ka khuj ka suba kasyong hangi iway pa iway ban sedang shuan ala yeng khanang ban yo ya ka jengkot jengkhia
Amin 2021 is to encourage large-scale citizen participation, rank states and districts according to key Swachhata parameters. Compare the performance of districts and states, ascertain progress of Swachhata on ground through a survey, engage and solicit feedback from citizens, and evaluate implementation of solid and liquid waste management arrangement in the districts. Additionally, SSG 2021 also intend to foster a spirit of healthy competition among districts to improve the service delivery and work towards creating a cleaner India.
That the government of Meghalaya is taking the Swachh Bharat Sarvekshan 21 very seriously, and I hope this message goes down to all of you and it's passed on to the field. I'll keep my address very brief because we'll have to get down to real business, which is Ipsos briefing you on the details and modalities and different aspects of the Sarvekshan. But there are a couple of things which I'd like to emphasize at the very beginning is as my experience in the state tells me that a lot of work is happening at different levels in Swachh Bharat, in JJM, but we are not actually reporting everything we are doing. It's very important that we document, we report, we highlight whatever work is going on the field. The work should not only be done, it should also be seen to be done. And it is, as you are aware, it will be an ranking. So I exhort all of you to take this as a healthy competition in a healthy spirit and strive for the districts, for the villages of our state to meet the common perception. The common perception in the country is that we are one of the cleanest states in the country, and it should reflect in the survey that is.
We are, everybody here, on the mission of Swachh Bharat mission, and today Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2021 we are inaugurating today. We all understand that the government of India, the government of Meghalaya, together, we are trying our best to ensure to have the atmosphere, to have the community free from pollution. But I understand one thing. This will become a reality only when the individual, only when you and me take the initiatives. Can we value the money we can earn from waste plastic? And another thing, more importantly, can we have the guilty feeling while littering the atmosphere? I don't know whether in the training, in the session, whether they have time to cover all these things. But it's very, very important if we can create a sense of feeling, a guilty feeling while littering the atmosphere, while littering the society, I think if we have such kind of feeling that it's a sin to litter, it is sin to make dirty to the society, it is sin to make dirty to the community. I think if we can have such kind of feeling, we can really make a difference. Solid waste management, liquid waste management, plastic waste management will be taught to the people in the state. And I hope if we can do this successfully, we can really bring a change in the society, and we want to see that we can make a difference to bring a clean environment, a clean society by the intervention of the Swachh Bharat mission. And I once again request all people of the state to participate and to involve individually on this, and we can also take a pledge to decide that we will start ourselves to walk towards bringing cleanliness in the state of Meghalaya by beginning at our home, beginning at our own compound, beginning at our own village, wherever we are. So that's the program of today. You see dirtiest places that you can see all around us, maybe the marketplace. Most of the time we could see it is dirty, and of course it's a concern to all of us how to address that. It's not easy. We don't have one way solution to this. So multiple approach we have to work to ensure that our marketplace is clean. We have been talking a lot about our own house, our own compound, for which we can start, we can do by ourselves. But when it comes to the marketplace, it is a collective responsibility that the market management committee, yes, the village where the market located, and of course the government through the department PHE, through the Swachh Bharat mission, we are there to put our best effort to really bring a change even in the marketplace.